So, hello friends, I'm basically going to be showing you how to select stocks for swing trading and swing and intraday trading. So, when it comes to selecting stocks for swing trading, I basically have a watch list of the Nifty 550 or the Nifty 100 or the Nifty 200, and you can also basically add these stocks in your watch list. You'll not be allowed to add more than 30 in the free version. I made this free account earlier, so I was able to add, but now they have a limit. They have limited it to 30 stocks. So you can basically add those stocks in various watch lists. You're allowed to have, I think, a couple of watch lists, 6 or 7 or something. And you can basically go through each of them and do a visual check to see which stocks meet your entry criteria. And then you can basically go for swing trading in these stocks. Now, this is the simplest way to do it, where you go through a list of stocks that are there in your watch list and you just add them. The second way to do it is by going through some scanner software. So if you see here, there is a site called charting.com screeners and they have got scans. And this again is a free site where you can create your account and you can basically go through any type of scanner. And after going through that scanner, they have scanners for intraday as well as intraday bullish bearish as well as for swing trading. So on the basis of this, uh, you can narrow down. For example, if we go for bullish engulfing scan, there are so many bullish engulfing scans that are available. They are showing one at the moment, right? So somebody has already written the code here, and this code basically is showing that this. Let's look at this Panama pet. This shows a bullish engulfing where if we come here and we go and we type this in. So you have a nice bullish engulfing candle. So if this is what you are looking for, you can narrow down stocks on the basis of this scanner and then decide whether you want to enter here or not. So this is one way to do it. So variety of stocks available. All you need to do is create your free account in charting, and you have intraday as well as swing trading scanners. You have candlestick scanners and you have got indicator based scanners, and there is no end to the. If you see monthly RSI above 50, stocks above 200 EMA, so there are n number of scanners, and you can experiment with those. You can even create your own scanners. Similarly, there's a site called Trendline where there are plenty of scanners, free scanners that are available, technical, price-wise, fundamentals, and you can use these and form your watch list or decide to, for example, above 5-day EMA, it will give us the various stocks, and then you decide. You can open each chart there in TradingView or your trading platform and then decide whether you want to trade in it or not. Similarly, in investing.com, you can create your own scanner for intraday. This I use basically for intraday. I don't use this for swing. For swing, obviously, you would need to add certain other stuff, other fundamentals that you would prefer. So this is basically a short scanner where the last price between 90 and 500, the market cap between 30 and 15.40. You can change this. The ATR between 10 and 1.6K, and the daily change between -9 and -3. So when you run the scanner, you get all the stocks that are bearish, that are bearish movement, and you can add this to your watch list and try to take short trades here, because that's what the trend is. Similarly, if Nifty is bullish, you can create a bullish scanner also. See, I've named it long trades, and again the price between 90 and 500. Everything is the same, excepting here the daily changes between 3 and 20%. And it'll give me a list of stocks, and I can add the stocks to my uh, broker app and start trading them. If the market is bullish, I will run this bullish scanner, add a few stocks, and then take bullish trades wherever I get a chance. So this is how you can utilize both all these three websites, charting, trendline, investing.com for your trades.